Yes. Welcome back again. Well, this is Oneil Grant representing for Oneil Grant Lighting and Decor. Today we are at the beautiful, uniquely built patio castle in Negril, Jamaica. Alright? We're here for our decoration. We have a wedding here tomorrow, so we're here to do our decoration today. As you know, most of the time we normally set up like the day before. So you know, this is it. So I will show you guys what this place look like before we add anything to it, and then you will see what it look like when we are finished. It's alright. I'm gonna flip the camera now and give you a look at the thing then. Alright, basically this is it. It's a unique stone building. Yeah, can I have that ancient look too? Yeah, it's amazing. Alright, this is what it looks like. Alright, this is one side of it. Alright, yeah man. And over here we go again. Yeah man, and this side now you have a little pool here, unique pool built beside the sea as well, because you know you can see the sea in the background as well. Trust me, this is unique. This is a nice wedding venue. So you know, this is a free advertisement for Patio Castle because I'm not being paid to do this. I'm just, you know, enhancing the thing. Alright guys, so just stay tuned, be in tune, and you know what to do again. Enjoy. So you don't know, so if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. You know, your subscription helps our channel to grow, so just keep doing that for us. Alright, thank you guys, I really appreciate it. See the sea there? Like, so you see you have the sea down there and the pool right here. This is amazing. Yeah man, yeah, these people had vision when they were doing what they were doing amazingly, man.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
Yeah, this is the beautiful patio castle in the grill over down in the patio. Still looking for the patio, but no patio. But what do I say, a patio castle? So you see I go on with the feet thing right there, so. This is an amazing venue, man. Check out the view. Yeah, out in the water, I don't know what that is like. It seems like some seaweed or something. You know, the sea clean itself at times. So it push out whatever I don't want out there, get it? Yeah. Guys inside there putting up a tent and this structure, and then decor it. Yeah, not an easy task, but we always get there, we always figure it out, right? Yeah man. Here you can see we have completed the back job. Trust me, this setup is difficult in every way, shape and form. From the setting up of the tent and top of the stone, to cut stone, so doing the back job, so decorating the tent up there, and the stone is like, the height was like, so trust me, it was so difficult to do everything, but at the end of the day we have pulled it off as we all always done, so you know, you can enjoy the view as we go through. And you're going to see the amazing thing. Alright, look at the tent now. This is basically up around, I think this is around 14 feet this end. So you know, with that, with the peak of the tent, you're looking at around 20 feet in the air. So it's a bit difficult like to go that tall. That's are not that tall that we use. So we have to actually have to put some stuff there and then put a little on it. So it was a bit difficult, not a bit, it was very difficult to get it done, but we're happy at the end result, you know. We're happy that we had completed the job, and you know, the clients are amazed at it, so. Well yeah, guys, here we go. This is the finish. I showed you before we started what it looked like here at Patio Castle. Well, I didn't get a chance to show during based on the fact that we're trying to get the job done. But now we are done. This is what it looks like. this is what it looks like. So, okay, so this is a difficult area to work. I'm doing well, this is my second job here at Pato Castle, but in this area and like doing a plant on the top of the stone like this, it's the first time for me and it was a very difficult one, but I'm giving thanks though we accomplish what we set out to accomplish. So we are having little issue with electricity now, so I won't be able to show the lights in this one. Yeah, I won't be able to turn the lights on, but you can see the fabric work, beautiful, neatly done, neatly finished as always, you know. This is amazing, yeah. And this is the way how we roll. Yes, and I say give thanks to the Most High Jah, finally complete this one. Alright, so we'll be taking our leave shortly from here. So you don't know anything set. As we always say, one love, Jah bless, see you again soon, okay? Alright, amazing. This is how we roll, yeah. This is what we do, and this is how we do what we do. And we do love what we do. I hope you love what we do too. I hope you enjoy all these efforts we are putting into this. Well, I would say I did it all for you guys. I did it for myself as well. Yeah? But I put in the effort. I hope you guys like this amazing job. Okay? Alright. See you again soon.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. Say what you wanna say to me now.